Hi, welcome to Techie's Choice. Easy way to explore knowledge. By the by, subscribe to your choice, and click on the bell icon to stay updated. Today we will learn about how to extract text content from any web page using Python. Make sure that required package is installed in your environment before you execute the code. You can also get the code from my GitHub, and I have given its link in description. And now let's look into code. At first, import the required package. Then, take down the codes from second cell. Here, to show you the demo, I have used link of my own website. You may replace it with whatever link as per your requirement. Now let's view the source code of target page. And in this fourth cell, we convert the downloaded data into string using str function. At this point, it is noticed that all the content displayed in the page lies between greater than and less than symbol, and therefore, the code in the fifth cell extracts the content that lies between each greater than and less than symbol. Now let's view the extracted content. In order to extract the required text, we have to search for the start word and end word of the required text. To achieve it, press Ctrl+F in your keyboard and search the start word. Now copy the complete string that lies between single quotes, and don't even leave the blank space, and find its index. Similarly, do the same process for the end word. After that, pass the index value of start and end word to the range function present in the below code. The last piece of code gives you the required text content. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I remind you to kindly subscribe to this channel. And if you like this video, kindly like it, and leave your opinion in the comment box. We will meet in another video with another topic. Bye.